All right, so Story asked a question about polar and its relationship to slope. So here's my picture, right? I got x and y axes, and then I went over some and up some to get a usual point, an x comma y. And then I said, okay, but I'm going to think about that as a distance out and a angle theta. Okay, so what the heck is the thing that's slope here? So what's slope mean in like old school algebra 1 or 2 terms? Yeah, slope. I'm hoping when you see this word, you think to yourself, okay, this is rise over run, right? It's like the change in y's over the change in x's. Yes? Okay, believe it or not, that's really the content of calculus. Like the whole thing. You really just think really, really hard about slopes for about a semester. And it's really cool. There's some really neat stuff there. But really, it boils down to thinking about rise over run. So I want you guys to have this in your head, because we're going to do this a lot. So how does that relate to this thing? Where's the rise in this picture? That's kind of over here, right? So here's a rise. Where's the run? I kind of give you a hint on that, didn't I? That's the x, right? So the slope of this point, right? It doesn't really make any sense to talk about the slope of a point, right? Really, I'm thinking about the slope between the origin and there, right? You guys see that? So I'm thinking slope from 0, 0 to x comma y, right, is what? Yeah, you guys are looking at this picture and thinking about r, right? Theta is the thing that gives you the slope. You guys see that? So the slope's really y over x, right? You guys see that? All r is doing is specifying a distance, right? So if I think about what's determining a line here, right? It's really the theta that's making a line. The r is just making some distance from 0. You guys see that? I can see that here. Really, this slope, right? That's the tangent of this angle here. So there's a nice easy relationship between the angle and the slope. It's just tangent. So to get from here to there, I do the tangent. That's cool, man? So if the theta is making lines, and this maybe is the punchline of this whole chunk of talk. Theta here, that's lines. What's r making? If I tell you, without telling you what angle you're going to, if I tell you you're going to go out 2 units, right? What does that describe? R. Yeah, that describes r, right? That's a distance from 0, right? You see that? What's the, so if I told you all the things that are 2 units from 0, what am I talking about?
Circle.
Yeah, I'm talking about a circle. You guys see that? So in polar land, right, I'm describing an angle that makes a line like this, and then I'm describing a circle. And then the point I'm talking about is the intersection between the line and the circle, right? When I'm doing regular Cartesian, I'm talking about 2 lines, right? I'm going over some and up some. You guys see that? Okay. So, good thought. Cool. Question?